Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. I don't know about you, but when I think of herbal teas, basil is one that leaps to mind along with peppermint and licorice. As with most herbal teas, the best way to make them is fresh. So you guessed it, today we are going to be turning this little guy into some tasty basil tea. Along the way, we will also look at some of the health and wellness benefits. So let's get into it. We are going to start by harvesting the basil. We are going to remove the leaves off the stems. I find the best way to do this is by pinching right where the leaf branches off the main stem. This is easy and effective, leaving a nice clean separation between the plant and the severed leaf. Once you have a nice pile of leaves, it is time to dice them up into fine pieces. I find that stacking up the leaves helps this process. I have found a favorite way to cut them, as you will see, but feel free to do what works best for you and your basil leaves. Also, when you cut the leaves, do so with a light touch, getting as little staining on the cutting board as possible. The more it stains, the less flavor will be left in the leaves to extract. Basil is a great herb with some unique health and wellness benefits. Basil has both antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Drinking basil tea has been shown to relieve and speed recovery of sore throats, respiratory issues, and colds by dealing with the problematic bacteria. This also helps to inhibit the bacteria that produce dental plaque as well. Basil is also beneficial to the digestive tract by reducing acidity and reinforcing the stomach lining. By slicing the leaves, we are allowing more of the natural compounds to be released into the tea, resulting in a more effective and more flavorful final beverage. Once the leaves are diced up, they are ready for steeping. I am going to be using this glass teapot without the mesh infuser. I would normally recommend using one if you replicate this at home, but it is a better view without it. Also, if you have made it this far into the video, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tea tips. Because basil won't get bitter, we are going to let this steep for about 10 minutes. Thanks to the magic of editing, we are going to skip ahead. The final product is unique and novel. Flavor-wise, it is hard to place, with some distinct herbal notes backed up with complex sweet notes. As you can see by the pale color, it is by no means a bold tea. The taste tends to hit more towards the back of the mouth as opposed to teas like hibiscus that hit right on the tip of the tongue. I really like basil tea. It is so novel and unique, and I just haven't found any other tea quite like it. It definitely earns a place on any well-rounded tea shelf. Give it a try for yourself, and as always, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.